His eyes lit up, he leaned forward, and he told me, "Wait, Bacho, you're telling me that I can see everything right here? This could save us hours every day." Hi everyone, my name is Bacho, and I've been working with multi-billion-dollar organizations across Italy, France, and Germany, helping ensure that critical airplane engines components were actually produced and delivered on time so that we could travel and visit our beloved drone across the world. When I first walked in the factory and met Mike, I could tell right away he wasn't happy to see me. It was early morning, the shop floor smelled like oil and metal, phones were ringing, people were biking across the plant. I shook Mike's hand, a short nod, but no eye contact. Mike was the lead supply chain planner at a gearbox manufacturer, producing critical airplane engine components worth hundreds of thousands of euros. Every delay meant penalties, and every part mattered. He had a small team, roughly 4 or 5 people, and honestly, they were all overwhelmed. But instead of pushing a tool, we sat with his team. We asked questions. We joined their daily meetings. Even the infamous one Mike called the fish market, where 20 people locked in a room trying to figure out what gearboxes they could ship tomorrow and screaming over each other whenever some parts were missing. Again, instead we had lunch with them, we had coffee, we listened, we understood their daily chaos. The Excel sheets with 12 tabs, the multi-level escalation chains just to get one delivery update. So overall, hours wasted every day trying to manually sync data across systems. But then came demo day. It was time for us to show Mike our Pelico platform. He sat down, arms crossed, watching. But when he realized that with just 2 clicks, he could see all the purchase order, track their delivery status, and everyone could see the downstream impact of each across the entire supply chain, something changed. His eyes lit up, he leaned forward, and he told me, "Wait, Bacho, you're telling me that I can see everything right here? This could save us hours every day." And from that moment on, Mike wasn't just engaged, he was invested. He started booking follow-up calls, giving feedback, and helped us frame how we're explaining things to the rest of the team. A few weeks later, we had to present to the steering committee. But this time, Mike took the mic. So he stood up in front of multiple layers of leadership and walked them through how Pelico could transform their daily operation. He showed them how real-time data synchronization could mean no more manual updates, no more screaming, no more fish market. So at the end of the session, his boss's boss stood up and said, "The Pelico project is impressive, but what struck me the most was Mike. Honestly, he's a better Pelico salesman than you all are." So we all laughed, but we knew we had won, because when someone who's been burned before becomes your biggest advocate, that's when change truly sticks.